Well, here's a new addition to the shop. It's an old school hand-powered drill press. It's about a little bit under 3 foot tall. It's got a nice sized flywheel up on top. It says it's a Goodell and Pratt Company. Well, they don't build them like they used to. Old wooden handle. Pins everywhere holding things together. Base has a little bit of rust damage on it. Not too bad though. The worst part is that it's missing the chuck. Looking at that, I think it might be a 1/2 inch fine thread, so hopefully I can find one that is kind of period correct and will fit on there. Don't want to put a brand new Jacob's chuck on there. I don't think it would match the rest of it. Coworker of mine actually gave this to me. I thought I'd appreciate it, which I do. This thing's pretty sweet. It's a 2-speed drill. So you've got slow speed. Then you can kind of flip the there's a little knob here. Disconnects the couplings. Now you're in high gear. Now I believe there's some type of an auto feed feature where basically I think it takes the weight of the flywheel and just lets it rest upon the whatever you're drilling, but we got to figure that out. Quite haven't worked out how that thing functions up there. But there's some threads there, and I'm assuming that somehow you engage the threads and, reverse it, and it lifts the counterweight up. A little bit of WD-40 and some oil. She'll be working like brand new.